February 26, 2026, I went to Davidson County Community College and I delivered this presentation, Google Workspace for Small Business versus using free Gmail. And the entire presentation I created in a very flat text style, and it was basically my talking points. But I came home and I played around with Google Gemini in Google Slides, because I have upgraded from Google Workspace Starter to Google Workspace Standard, and I created a much better presentation that I'm going to record here today. This is my new intro graphic using Google Gemini with Google Slides. Look, Google Workspace for Small Business versus free Gmail. It's the business version. It's rich in features and a diverse tool set. It's comparable to Microsoft Office 365 because it gives you a customized email address, a domain. My example is burrisconsulting.com versus gmail.com. It gives you an admin console where you can manage all the users and all the features and who has access to what, manage the entire domain. It can be as inexpensive as $7 a month per email account or per person. And that gives you 30 gigabytes of space for each email account. By the way, pooled together so everybody gets access to the entire pool. It's a really powerful set of business tools. The email is much more than email. It's a business system. You get a professional email presentation, again, with your custom domain. You have workflow built into it, so you can use the search tools, the filter tools, auto-forwarding, labeling, tagging, et cetera, et cetera. You basically can turn, chaos into I'll never lose that email from that customer ever again. You get templates and canned replies, and custom email signatures, and by the way, it's device agnostic. You can use all of these tools on all of your devices. Microsoft on your PCs, your Macs, your iPhone, your iPad, your Android, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. It's really a powerful business tool, not just an email tool. You can manage your business through your calendar with shared calendars that you can create sharing with partners and employees and other people. You can get calendar reminders that fit your needs, and built into your calendar is the ability, if you're using Google Workspace Standard, you have the ability to do scheduling, and so that you can send your entire calendar to people and they can pick particular times and blocks of times where they want to meet with you. You can integrate Zoom and Calendly and PayPal for even more functionality, which can add to the power of Google Workspace calendars. Create separate calendars if you want, so a business calendar, personal calendar, services calendars, et cetera, so you can look at everything that's going on in your business and overlay it all together so you can understand what's going on in your business. You can create work hours in multiple locations, again, if you're using Google Workspace Standard, and automated confirmations and reminders so that everybody knows what's going on. All those who are involved know what's going on and when. Google Drive is your business filing cabinet that's in the cloud, accessible to you, fully managed and secured by you. File structures for projects and teams and clients. Simple naming structures that you can manage. Again, sharing, whether you share a folder or you share documents with whoever needs access to it, that creates the opportunity for collaboration where you can work on these documents together. You can share live links of documents that you can adjust on the fly as needed versus sending a doc file or a PDF. And you can also create security strategies like expiration so that the document, access to the document goes away when you want it to go away. And you can allow those you share it with to view it, to comment on it, and even to become an editor, which is the collaboration tool. You have version history, so you can go back and get a document that you trashed today and you want to go get it back yesterday. And if you're using Standard, you have e-signature instead of having to subscribe to DocuSign. And again, all of this is accessible on all of your devices so that you can get to it now instead of saying, oh, I'll have to wait until I get back to the office. Docs, sheets, forms, slides, All of these are the apps that are built into Google Workspace, whether you're using Starter or Standard, so you can create documents and you can collaborate on them in real time. You can organize your data in spreadsheets and collect data in spreadsheets using Google Forms and create fabulous Google slides that really can deliver a meaningful and impactful presentation to your client, to your workforce, to your partners, etc., etc. Google Forms, come back to that, because this is really a powerful business tool for you to capture and collect data, whether it's lead capturing or data inputting or onboarding of new employees or new customers. You can, request estimate forms that you share on their website so that potential customers can fill it out, event signups, feedback after service. Automate all this data and collect it in a spreadsheet and share it with those that you need to share it with. And by the way, Google Forms is pretty easy to use. It's not overly sophisticated, but yet it has lots of really cool customization. And then you have additional communication tools built into Google Workspace as well, which beyond just Google Chat and Google Meet. You can also have Google Voice, where you create a business phone number in your Google Workspace account for each user who wants to have a Google Voice phone number for real-time messaging, real-time phone calls, etc., etc. Again, this can create even greater collaboration and even greater ways of sharing documents and information and recording information for training purposes, as well as for any other need that you have to record, as I am doing right here today. Integrated AI with Gemini. This is where it's a whole new world with AI built into our business. But with Google Workspace, either Starter or Standard, which I'm using today, it takes Gemini to a whole nother level to give you the ability to design and to create using this tool set, so that you can create way better solutions and way better content and information, but yet you can manage it and control it so that it doesn't run amok or take over. It gives you the ability to create drafts of all kinds of information, policies, frequently asked questions, social media posts, standard operating procedures, etc., etc. Get that information from your Gemini partner and then manipulate it, modify it, refine it, put your own personality into it and create some fabulous content. And again, you manage the risk because you manage what Gemini has access to and what it can use so that you get what you need from this business tool. Built-in security administration tools that are really strong so you can protect your Google Workspace domain, protect your users, protect their data, protect your data. Force your users to use two-step verification and or passkeys. Have them have their own account recovery with backup email or phone and recovery codes. Manage what they can share and who they can share it with and from a higher level. And the tool actually includes a security advisor to help you pay attention to your users and your domain to make sure everybody is safe. Start using Google Workspace today. Move away from Gmail and move into Google Workspace. At the very least, start with Starter, or better yet, go to Standard, so you can build better processes, better communications, better insights, better collaboration, and be able to use the information that you're managing to improve your insights and your information about your business so you can create greater success. Begin today to eliminate chaos and lack of communication so that your business is a much more lean, efficient, powerful machine. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail. I love my free Gmail, but I need my Google Workspace, specifically moving from Starter to Standard, so that I can create a much stronger business enterprise with the tool sets that are available to me. If you're using free Gmail or AOL or Hotmail or Yahoo for your business today, reach out to me and ask me for the discount codes, because I can get you started in Google Workspace Starter, or better yet, Standard, so you can start building the machine, building the information systems and the processes that you need to take your small business to another level. Thank you for letting me share this with you today.